Right, video vlog check everybody. Azrael here doing a vlog report. Kagagaling ko lang sa East West Bank Dream Run 2026. So nag-announce na sila, nag-press con sila. At I'm very excited na this will be happening on August 2 for the Manila leg. And then August 30 for the Clark Pampanga leg. September 20 sa Iloilo leg at October 18 sa CDO leg. Medyo dumami na yung kanilang dream run, no? Nakakatawa, no? At ang very interesting na ito, no? Parang sa 10K yung aking sinign up dito. At na-curious ako, no? If si East West Bank ba ay may plano ba in the future na gumawa ng full marathon or half marathon, like for example 42K. Kasi, yun yung parang question ko sa kanila na ito yung dream run ng iba. Dream run nila to run 42K. So hindi ko alam kung saan nila gaganapin to. No? Kasi usually kasi sa Manila leg sa August 2, sa Philinvest Alabang ang venue nila. Tumakbo yung family ko last year. Hindi ako nakatakbo last year kasi nagka-injury ako at binigay ko yung aking number, bib ko, tsaka yung jersey ko sa anak kong si Ashton. Siya yung tumakbo ng 5K for me. But for this year, 10K ang pinili ng wife ko at 10K para sa akin. Pero mangyayari yata, may interest na tumakbo yung anak kong si Ashton ulit. So siya yung tatakbo ng 10K na naman. O if ever na magbago isip niya, ako yung tatakbo na rin din for 10K. Lagi first time ko mag 10K if ever, no? So panoorin itong video. This is from the press conference and MediaCon of the East West Dream Run 2026. So more information, just go to the Facebook page and website. Kung gusto niyo mag-register or mag-sign up dito sa Dream Run 2026 by East West Bank. Alright, watch this video.
In the race village in terms of putting engaging activities as well.
Some of the surprises we're still working out with the sponsors as well. So there will be raffles and there will be a lot of other incentives for joining.
So are you still open to more sponsorship?
Of course,
Okay.
we are.
We'll ask them. All right, thank you.
Way to engage to the community. There could have been other sports, Filipinos love other sports as well, but why running?
Let me ask you a question. Are you a runner?
Yes.
Yeah.
Not as competitive as Sir Jeric is. Tumitingin sa akin ni Sir Jeric, but I occasionally run.
Yeah.
I put a mileage for myself about 24 kilometers in a week to finish.
Yeah. As a runner myself, medyo dated na. So it's different when you're going after a challenge. So sometimes you just say, 2 kilometers. And then when you get to do it, teka, parang kaya ko yung 5. And when I see somebody finish, especially pag naunahan ako ng babae, then I go for the 5. So it's not really about it's not really about nakikisama or because naunahan ka. It's about trying to be better than what you are right now. So trying to achieve a milestone, trying to achieve an objective that's difficult. So, as a runner, diba, there's this, while you're running and you're trying to achieve the distance you're going after, you sometimes feel like you want to give up, no? You hit a wall, na it's so hard, mabigat na ng legs nyo, diba? Tapos ang bilis-bilis pa nung nasa tabi nyo. Gusto mo gananin, di ba? So, but it's your ability to say that, hey, you need to get your second wind, the need to, So, when you look at life, it's like that, When you're in your job, when you're trying to pay for something, when you're after a certain financial goal or a dream to provide a house, it's not easy, especially if you're earning a certain portion and then you realize, it's going to take 30% of my salary. It's a sacrifice. But the values that running imparts, on everybody is that grit, or that perseverance to achieve something. So that is the value that we want to connect to our brand. And what we want to convey is we're here as East West, as your partner to try to help you achieve your dreams. So it's the same analogy as, if I can describe it.
I agree. Tapos na po sila ng mga 21K, Kaya of One Sports. Finished her 21 kilometers just recently with us. Bernadette Tinoy of PTV, what's your farthest distance? 5K, kay ni Sir Sid. Anthony over there, Sir Martin, if I may share. It is, the run clubs can attest to that. They're also, of course, challenging one another to really just get better from their previous run. Do we have any more questions? Maybe we can make room for a few more. Hi, sir.
Natanong ba kung meron silang plan mag 42K?
Meron po ba daw kayo? Ikaw naman.
Hi, my name is Azrael Culadilla, vlogger of Azrael's Maryland. Well, ano lang, ngayon mag 10K ako. Pero ang tanong ko, may plans ba kayo in the future mag 42K? Kasi yun na yung ano eh, yun na yung parang others, sana kasi yun yung kanilang dream run. Di ba? Di ba?
Well, depending on the public clamor and the request. No? But at this year, 21, but probably I'll give the job to my people. Can you ask people if they are willing to go after the 41K challenge? But if
41 ba?
there is-
42? 42.
So if there's a big demand, yes, definitely. Kaya niyo naman, di ba?
Kayang-kaya.
Run clubs, game for a full marathon, maybe next year. Yung mga run clubs natin, eager yan. No, but kasi yung ano rin po eh, I have to,
Nagtanong ako,
I
10K
have to
lang
say
ako.
the running community also has elevated from enjoying their 5 kilometers to 10. Now, they would really
Push.
like to participate in longer distances. So from your 10K this year, 2042, sign you up.
Sige.
So we were just thinking, no, since you were asking aside from 42K and how to make it more different, maybe what we can add is, you know, you can be your, in other countries, they wear a costume. You can be your superhero depending on what you want to. Ang hindi ko lang, yun lang ang problema. So, or in France, which I'm not suggesting, is yung may wine run.
Buffet run.
But those are the things we can add to this, ano? Buffet run. So those are the things we can improve on as we get your feedback, as we see people are getting bored. We will of course improve the runs every year.
Thank you, thank you.